Today with me I have Stefan Björk, who is the owner and chairman of the Greencarrier Group, who has done a fantastic job with a big heart, financed another couple of years of operations with the ship so we can go back sailing again. And it's an excellent opportunity for Stefan to be the person to put back the coin again, because we never know when this will happen the next time, maybe another 10 years or 15 years. So it's an honor to have Stefan here to do it. I think he's the right person, he has the right heart, the passion for the ship, and so we will see him put back the coin in a little short while. So Stefan,
thank you very much, Peter. Appreciate a lot to be here, and of course it's an honor, it's a privilege, to have this opportunity. It doesn't happen every day that you change the mast and checking the mast. So today is a special day for me, so I hope that we can do this. Should not be too complicated, but it's of course an important factor for giving the ship good luck and safe sailings over the 7 seas, of course.
Yes. So
Okay,
Stefan.
shall we go ahead?
Yes. Stefan, it was a pleasure and an honor.
Great job, Peter.
Thank you very much.
To the best of success.
Yeah.